So last class we talked about elasticity, how change in price affects quantity demand. So how responsive are people to changes in prices? When price increases, quantity demand decreases. Exactly by how much and what's the percentage of the decrease is what elasticity is. So calculating the change in quantity demand in response to change in price. So we said that price elasticity of demand equals percent change in quantity divided by percent change in price. So an example what's the elasticity? Can you please calculate it? Change in quantity, Q2 minus Q1, so Q2 is 500 minus Q1, 600 divided by Q1 times 100 divided by P2, 22 minus 20 divided by 20 times 100 equals 16.7%, 10%, elasticity is negative 1.67%. What this means is 1% increase in price will cause quantity demand to decrease by 1.67%. Know what this means. There are multiple choice questions that'll ask you, what does this mean? So a 1% increase in price will cause quantity demand to decrease by 1.6%. That's what elasticity means, and that's what we calculated. Now the absolute value of this is greater than 1. So what does that mean? So if elasticity is greater than 1, it is elastic. Meaning it's very responsive. Excuse me. It's very responsive to change in price. Triangle means change. Yeah.
Making it the 1% increase in price, how do you see that, like, 1% increase in price? Where did that?
That's what that means. That 1% increase in price will cause quantity demand to decrease by 1.67%. What's the question? I don't get it.
No, like,
How do you know it's 1%?
yeah.
Okay. So that's what elasticity is. Like whatever number you get, if it was
Oh,
0.76, if elasticity was 0.76, 1% increase in price would cause 0.7% decrease in quantity demand.
So that 1% increase in quantity demand is 0.76 decrease in
1% increase in price would cause,
Would it be the other way around too?
for this one? Why? Why would it be the other way around?
Wouldn't 1% in quantity demand, like wouldn't they both affect each other?
Oh, I mean, sorry,
I mean, not that, but like, would it work for the other way around too? You know what I mean? Like, I'm not saying that's wrong.
oh, okay, you're saying would it work other way around? Like,
But, yeah.
So 1% increase in quantity demand would cause a decrease in price.
right, 1% increase in quantity demand.
Would cause a decrease in like 0.76, right?
No, it won't be because change in price, we're actually calculating what happens in response to change in price.
Okay.
So
Gotcha.
we're always calculating what's happening here,
Okay.
not here. This is given to you. This is what we're calculating. So it's always gonna be, as a result of change in price, quantity demand is decreasing.
Yeah.
As a result of change in price, quantity demand is increasing. So it could be, instead of decreasing, it could be increasing, but it's not gonna be the other way around.
Okay.
Question.
Yeah.
I'm still kind of confused where you got the 1% from. Like,
That's just how change in percentages work. So anytime you have a change in percentage formula, a 1% change is gonna cause this much change in quantity demand.
is it just always 1%?
Yeah.
Okay.
Does that answer your question too?
Yeah.
Okay. So it was a good point. It's always responsiveness to change in quantity demand. So 1% change in price, 1% increase in price, it could be 1% decrease in price is causing quantity demand to increase by 1.76%. It could be like that. Does that make sense? we know that price elasticity of demand is equal to percent change in quantity divided by percent change in price. What is percent change in quantity equal to? Well, it's equal to elasticity times percent change in price. You just do a little algebra and you can. So if the question says you're given price elasticity, -3, what happens to quantity demand if price decreases by 5%? So we're given elasticity, which is -3%, and percent change in price is -5%. What is the percent change in quantity?
15%.
Positive 15%. So a decrease in price by 5% causes quantity demand to increase by 15%. A decrease in price by 5% causes quantity demand to increase by 15%.
What is A mean?
A decrease in price
You raise the bottom yet?
What?
The next of the bottom yet?
Oh, you want this?
Yeah.
So you guys gotta keep checking Blackboard for this class, okay? Because I put assignments there, I put answer keys there, your practice problems are there, so keep checking it. Your answer key to assignment 1 is there, I told you guys, right? Okay. There's a question like this on the exam. Okay, don't. Let me finish first. If you haven't drawn it yet, let me finish first, then you can draw. Because it's a little tricky to draw. I'm gonna try it again.